Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the auto cutout feature to remove a background from your videos. So, for instance, I have this video here and I want to remove the background. So go to video, go to cutout, and you're going to select auto cutout and it's going to remove the background. You can also add in some strokes as well. For instance, this one, you can adjust the size and you can also select the color for that. You have this one as well, you have this, and you have this. You can adjust the size as well as the spacing here. And again, you can select the color for it. Here I'm just going to go to basic and I'm just going to go to canvas and I am going to select a color for it, and that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!